LED light. To remove the LED light, simply apply slight pressure with your thumbs on either side of the bulb and twist it counterclockwise until it pops out. Control panel. Begin by sliding out the baffle filters and remove the bar that holds them in place. Remove the two screws from the bar that holds the control panel and LED lights in place, then turn over the bar. Remove the two screws that hold the backing to the control panel in place, then remove the backing and remove the control panel from the bar. Next, locate the control board and remove the four screws holding the metal plate in place and turn it over. Remove the four screws from the black plastic top and remove the top. Locate the power connections for the control panel on the control board. Disconnect the connections with pliers by gently pinching them at the top of the metal tabs and pull straight up. Control board. Remove all power connections to the control board with pliers by gently pinching them at the top of the metal tab connections and pull straight up. Then, remove the two screws holding the control board in place. Capacitors. Remove the four connections using pliers by gently pinching them at the top of the metal tabs, then pull straight from the angle of the connections. Remove the screw holding the capacitor in place,